The second victim in yesterday's deadly shooting in Great River District, St. James, has died. The man has been identified as Wald Christian. His mother, who operates the restaurant where the incident happened, died on the spot. Now, residents have been reacting to the murder.
52-year-old Rose Christian and her 36-year-old son, Oswald Christian, were here at the Triple Palm restaurant that they operated when they were attacked and shot by thugs. The mother and son succumbed to their injuries. Residents of Great River District said the Christians were kind people who operated a restaurant that became a critical part of their community.
Their last name, surname is Christian, and by nature they are good Christian people as far as I am concerned. These are people who have given their service and their life to community service.
It's a couple and family member who would have offered service to the community. I mean, if you don't have a breakfast, you could simply go and get a hot cup of soup, a hot meal in the day or in the afternoon if you wish. And then to smash out somebody's life like that, it speaks of volume in the community. That boy, the community is now destroyed. And I don't know when we'll be repaired of this great loss and damage has been inflicted on our brothers and our sisters.
The police are still probing the daring daylight gun attack, but so far, no motive has been established for the killings. But residents say they do not believe the family would have done anything warranting them to be murdered.
The question is, when is this going to stop? There are times when there are criminal elements who are destroying each other and they have conflict among themselves. But for this woman, we know she is not in any conflict with anyone. And I'm simply saying, if it is robbery, take money or whatever and go. Leave somebody a chance to live.
Close to 30 people have been murdered in St. James since the start of the year, and Pastor Glendon Powell, who leads a church in the area, believes these killings are not merely the doing of men.
Right now I'm on a 21 days fast, and I will have to continue and extend it because I believe that this that we are experiencing it needs God's divine intervention. We need all hand on deck. We need all citizens, all Christians. We need all people to recognize that there's a monster that has been unleashed upon this nation, upon this parish. And we need to pray, and we need to storm the gates of hell and to get this situation under control.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.